everyone, my name is CodingEncoded and today I'm going to make a quick and short tutorial on how to create this cool password thing. Now it won't really save, and what I mean by it won't really save is when I click run and I create the username and then I'll have to reset right here. When I reset, I'll go back to the screen. It won't go automatically to screen 2. Which is the account, right? I didn't know how to do that. Put it in the comments if you know how to do that, right? Okay. Now this is the code. I'll be very fast on this tutorial and you will be learning about if statements and hiding and showing elements. Now let's start, shall we? Alright, let's go to here. Now to save time, I just did all the design. I'll give you a quick walkthrough on it. Pause anytime if you need to catch up with me. If not, you can just continue. Now I have this label, and if you don't know how to place it, just drag this label thing and put it right here. No problem. I changed the username. You don't have, like the ID thing. You don't have to. I just named it create user, and then the test here is create username. Really simple. And text input 1, nothing really. This is where you type your thing, and then create your password. Basically, is the thing to create your password. And then text input 2, this is where you put your, password. You create it. And this is where you click save, and then when you click save, you'll go to screen 2. And then just like the other screen, just type your username, type your password. And then here, this is text input 3. This is where you put your username after you saved it. This is text input 4. This is where you put your password after you saved it. Then these two are labels. Now, this is saying your username is incorrect. I changed the color by going here. It's 255.00. Go here, and then I hit it right here for now. And I'll go here, and then it's the same thing, but it's for the password. Password is incorrect. RGB, same thing. And go here, it's hidden. If I do this and I won't be ticked, it'll be showing promptly. Go here, it's hidden. It's showing it faintly, just so we know it's hidden, not really prompt. Now to do this fast, I'm gonna copy and paste the code, but this is all my original code. I did not copy it from anyone. This is not counterfeit. Alright, let's go to the code. Now, let's start with our first bit of code. Really simple. When you click save, it goes to screen 2 where you do the login. Now, let's get to this part right here. Let's highlight that. Right. Now feel free to pause anytime if you need to catch up on anything. Now on event login, where is that button? It's right here. When you click on that, you do an if statement. Now I'll tell you what if statements are later, but I'll tell you what this code means. Get text from input 1, right? Input 1 is here. Get that text and get text input 3 right here. If they equal, this double equal sign means equal. Now if right, you get it? If get text, just ignore that, but you need to type it in. If text input 1 and text input 3 equal, and if text input 2 and 4 equal, those are the two text inputs for the passwords. And here's 4. Then set screen to screen 3. This is basically after you're logged in. Not really anything there, but if you want anything, just have this button. Just to see that we've gone there. Alright, let's get back to coding. and then that happens. Now let me explain what if statements are. Basically, it's kind of like a requirement or something. Right here we have two if statements. It's the action will only happen if both of them are equal. So let's have a real world example. Now, if I put a coin inside a bucket, if we put a coin inside a bucket, it will then go to the ground, like go to the bottom of the bucket. Basically, that's what it means. If coin inside bucket, coin go to bottom of bucket, right? So let's go to our third bunch of code. Now this is basically it's very easy. I'll explain you. On event log in, if text input 1 does not equal, there's an exclamation mark instead of an equal sign. So we put exclamation mark here. If this text input 1 does not equal text input 3, then show label 1. Show label 1 is right here, right? That's the incorrect thingy. And then set timeout function. You really don't need this, but it basically is saying after 1750 milliseconds, it'll just go away. Now this is for our last bunch of code. We just go here, highlight this, and then we can just copy and paste it. This is basically the same thing here, but different text inputs because this is for the password. Now you can pause. I might be going too fast for you. If you're catching up, great. Now we have done this, right? Everything is done. Now hide and show elements. So hiding and showing elements basically explain themselves. When you do hide element, it'll go away. If you show element, it'll show up. Alright, so let's start. Now I want to create my username. Let's do super fast and epically. Oh, I accidentally clicked password, doesn't really matter. Let's just put our username and coding encoded, and then code is our password. Save, we'll go to this screen, type your username, coding encoded, and then type your password. Then you log in, and then you'll go over here. Now coding encoded. I'm just gonna copy and paste this code, save, copy and paste here, and then code. I accidentally put another D. And then bam, this is going to be incorrect. I'll do that and then I'll put an extra D here. Then here I got it correct. Now let's do one more time just so we can see. Let's go here, and then code. And then if we put another D here, your username is incorrect. After a while, it'll go away. Now, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you later and keep on coding. Goodbye, lads.